Hey, did you do your homework? Sure? Did you did already? Okay, so let's do it. Okay, first one. Find the range value of this one. You want this one to be less than or equal to this one. Nothing lah. Just simplify, expand it, simplify, move everything to one side, and I said already, I want positive x squared on one side. Okay, so I move to one side, one side is 0. I factorize this. If you don't factorize, you use formula. If you don't use formula, you find calculator, and you get the two roots. The roots is -2 and 8. So I put -2 and 8, and it's smiley face. I draw a smiley face, and you see equal, less than or equals to. So it will include. So you want the graph to be less than or equal to 0. Less than means below. So you shade that part, and inclusive of this point and this point. Okay? Then easy. Tell me the answer. Between -2 and 8, inclusively. Okay? Remember this? Okay? Just take note of this. You see, just like this, 3 marks is yours. Okay? Move on. This one, find the range of values of x for fx less than or equal to 5. Just another way of saying things. I put this one here, I put less than or equal to 5, then I move everything to one side, then I call this another function, okay? I call this another function gx. So I don't care about this function anymore because I'm focusing on this quadratic equation now, not this quadratic equation. Okay, so I got that one. I move everything to one side. I want the coefficient of x squared to be equal to positive. Then I do factorization. This question may be a little bit hard because you have 3 here. If you don't want to do factorization, you do calculator or formula. So you get the two roots. One root is -4/3, the other is 2. So I guess you can sort right. This one is less than this one. And you're drawing a smiley face. You want the smiley face to be above the x-axis. Above or equals to. So I highlight that. Then it's this part and also this part. Inclusive of this point, inclusive of this point. Hence my answer will be less than or equals to -4/3 or bigger or equals to 4/3. Okay? Okay, no problem, right? Okay? It's 3 marks, okay? 3 marks really. Okay, last one. The graph of the quadratic function, this thing, there's a p, don't get afraid, don't be afraid of this, where p is a constant, does not intersect. Does not intersect. Can you tell me what does it mean? Does not intersect means b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, less than 0. Find the range of p, values of p. So I put down what's your a, what's your b, what's your c is there. Then I do b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. I sub it in, and then I simplify, and that's so simple. This is not supposed to be in this section. This thing is supposed to be in like the previous chapters, you know. Like this one should be in chapter 2, not chapter 3. Okay? Because this is only a power 1, right? So this is not quadratic anymore. It's very simple. So you get that one. Don't even have to draw the graph, right? But you see, the concept is the same. I say 4 plus 12p. Okay? So let's say I say 4 plus 12x less than 0. Can you imagine what does that mean? You want to solve for this one. Means you are solving for y equal to this one and y equal to this one, right? Okay? Let's say y equals to 12x plus 4. So y equals to 12x plus 4. This one looks like what? A line, an equation of a line. So at 0, it's 4. Then at where it is 0. So this one should look like somewhere like this one, right? Okay, somewhere like this one. Okay, then you want this to be less than 0. Where is it? So you solve for it. Less than 0 when it's less than -1/3. It's here. Okay, so that's why it's less than -1/3. So you're done. This line is y equals to 12x plus 4. So the idea is totally the same. When you are seeing anything like a solving inequality, means you look at it as function, the graph. I want the graph to be less than 0. Means the graph to be below the x-axis. You want the graph, this line, to be below the x-axis, means this part lah, -1/3. Okay? You see, when you sub -1/3 into here, 3 and 12 cancel off, it becomes -4, right? -4 plus 4 is 0. That's why you get a 0 here. Okay? Very simple. Right? Okay? The concept, the idea is important. Okay? All this is just routines doing the works only. Alright, we are done for chapter 3. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.